Hi, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the 2-day reflective practice facilitator training that we're going to be running next year. So we know that reflective practice has been proven to help reduce burnout and stress in practitioners and to really enable us to sustain ourselves when we do challenging and deep work with others. So really pleased to have this opportunity to share the skill with other artists in Wales. And the 2 days, so this is aimed at people who are already facilitators, who already have some group work skills. But this will be an opportunity to be part of a small group. We'll be working experientially. So for the first day, I'll be holding the group, you'll be a participant, and you'll experience what reflective practice is, how it feels to be a group member, and I'll be inviting you to notice what it's like and notice perhaps what kind of approach I'm using. We'll then really unpick that. We'll bring in some theory, some kind of group dynamics, to equip you with the skills, the technique, the understanding to go forward and set up and hold reflective practice groups for other artists in your organization or in the wider field. And we'll set up an ongoing support mechanism so that after the training you feel equipped to hold others in the work that they do.